These clever wrapping ideas will be sure to be the talk of the holiday this season. While the gifts are thoughtful and bring joy, the presentation can complement the gifts for an even more joyful time. Whether you're super crafty or have no clue what a cricut is, these holiday wrapping ideas are great for any skill level, so that anyone can get inspired from these ideas we put together for you. Also, if you're interested in some Christmas tree decor ideas, make sure to check out our video on 65+ unique and creative ideas for Christmas trees in the link at the end of this video. Let's get started with using greenery and nature to complement your wrapping. This way you can skip the funky store-bought wrapping paper and opt for something simple while creating a beautiful presentation. Grab a basket and go outside and pick up some branches and get creative. Another fun and creative way to dress up your presents in this holiday season is by using paper. Seriously! Who knew paper could be so much fun? Use this opportunity to transform your wrapping into an interactive game or activity, or simply transform this blank canvas into fun and creative Christmas art. Cut out the pages of a magazine or an old book and get creative with your designs. These ideas are great for gifting presents to kids, but also a great way to get kids involved in wrapping up the gifts for others. Another option is to decorate the packaging is using string or yarn. Stick on a nice holiday design on the packaging or the recipient's name. You can even take it up a level and add nice beads, or some straws cut up, to create a more festive to the package. Or take out that package of cotton balls from your cabinet and have some fun with it. And lastly, let's not forget what cute designs you can make using some free paint samples from the paint section. This is perfect for any occasion. Well folks, that's all for now. Let us know in the comments below which buzzworthy idea is your favorite. And if you made it this far, thanks a ton for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content, and it would also help us out a bunch.